What's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm back. Y'all, I've been gone. Wasn't my fault to be gone either, but I was gone, y'all. And through the whole thing, I lost my phone. You know, and I didn't like really lose it, but I lost it. And here is the case. Y'all can see I prolong the video like this. Here's the case. Yeah. This case done for, y'all. It's done for. Here's the phone. Motorola. Y'all, this phone, I was still able to use it by the end of at the end of the day. Shit. Yeah. I never looked at it in the light. I'm glad it ain't. Yeah, I was still able to use it to the end of the day, but I was only able to see, if you could see a little light spot. This light spot, I was only able to use it this after I had to turn the phone and do all kind of stuff. I was able to finish out the day with it, but I went on ahead and bought me a new digitizer screen, all that. And I'm on, it should be here in a couple of days. So I'm gonna fix it. I like my phone, y'all. I actually like my phone. I like the phone I went back to, too. Y'all may have seen this one online, too. This is my Motorola. And I like this case only, though, because it come with the little kickstand on it. That didn't come with one, and I had to add. Then I was able to take my USCCA member card. You need to get into that. Not paid promotion, but get into that, y'all. But the video today, y'all, I saw a dude, Brown was talking about it, and me and him normally have the same idea on videos a lot of times, but cause I do one, then I'll see he'll do it, then he'll do one, I did it, but I'm sure he don't watch my channel, what have you. But I thought about this video and I said, well, I'm gonna do it. Especially after I seen his, because it was like I got to. You got like Suki Hunter. Suki Hunter. It's a rapper. She's a girl. And you got Sexy Red, rapper. She's a girl. I'm saying it's Sexy Red because you had another rapper back in the day called Fly Boy Red. He was a dude. And he had a song called Throw That Boy PUSSY. Y'all, I gotta tone a lot of stuff down. I gotta tone the nose down, Rudolph. But not just her, but a lot of these rapper women, they get online and they are plants. They're planted here to ruin young black girls' lives. One of them was talking about my poontang pink and my booty hole brown. Back in the days, y'all, you couldn't say nothing like that. And if you did, it was very, 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 very looked down upon. Except for some of us guys that's nasty like that. But they out here doing things. One of them she was standing up with the pile of money at the VMA Award. This is where we at with y'all. She was at the VMA Award. She had a big stack of money in her hand. Like, Why? And she was doing stuff like this and this, like they always do. They do this. Why did you do that? I want to ask somebody when they do that, like, why did you do that? They can't give you an answer right off bat. They gotta think about it. Like, well, but then she turn around like they all do, like all the whole women do, and show their ass. Then she flop her ass, and I'm like, why? Then when they showed Suki, she was on the floor on her hands and knees. Now some of y'all will say down on all fours, but that ain't but 2 and 2. 2 hands, 2 legs. 2 hands, 2 knees. However you want to call it. Humans don't have fours. Think about it. And she was down there shaking her butt and all that, licking her. Now, all that they displayed, there's gonna be a young girl following behind them doing the same thing. Cause all the movements that's done by women today are done by another person and another person, another person. It's all follow suit. Now we ain't just gonna be stuck on women. Men do the same thing too. Like the I would say bromance. What is them shorts called, y'all? Hoochie daddy shorts. Come on, man. I can wear stuff like that to get, you know, like now night lounge. Cause when y'all see this stuff here, this is after I done showered and everything. This is I have on shorts and this shirt like this, y'all. But they go outside with them hoochie daddy shorts on, little short shorts. Look stupid. This ain't the 80s anymore, y'all. It looks stupid. And just a lot of stuff people do is just putting up for the younger generation to fall behind and do that dumb mess. I wish these women would quit that, y'all. I mean, don't get me wrong. When they get caught up with some naked pictures on, it's good to see. Yeah, but stop it. Just stop it.